Today we're featuring a 1969 Ferrari 365 GTC. It is in fully restored condition. We have serviced and maintained and known it for many, many years. It is well known to be probably the finest of the vintage Ferraris as far as drivability. And we're going to take it for a ride. Put it through its paces. Come on. So here's our cold start because it's been sitting outside for quite some time today. We're going to put the windows down a little bit so we can hear the glorious Colombo-derived V12. The handbrake down. So the 330 GTC has been well known for years as being one of the best driving of the vintage Ferraris, most usable, many of which had air conditioning. This is the successor, made in far more limited numbers, the 365 GTC. The engine was no longer a 4-liter, it was a 4.4 liter, and has quite a bit giddy up and go in comfort. It is one of the Ferraris that has, in my opinion, one of the vintage Ferraris that has the best air conditioning system, because it actually works quite well and cools the cabin. It is one of the rarest of the breed of the Ferrari mark, having been manufactured in 156 left-hand drive examples, even rarer the 22 right-hand drive examples for the UK. So we're going to warm it up, show you how everything's working. You know, a lovely emergency switch, the auto flux switch for the electric pump, left and right blowers, a rear defroster, and your interior lights, which are working. We're going to warm up the gearbox a little, even though it's very nice and warm outside and goes right in the second gear, before we get on it, and we will come right back to you. All right, well, we're going to take you through Huntington Suburbia a little bit while she warms up a little bit more. In my opinion, the 365 GTC, and for that matter the 330 GTC, have one of the best driving positions. The dash layout is right in front of you. Looks awesome. A teak dash of the era. It's got a original radio, Becker Mexico. Actually, it works much better as the antenna goes up. Has a wonderful original ashtray, electric windows. So it had a lot of conveniences for the day, as well as having a hell of a lot of power, room for luggage, and handling capability that was excellent. So it was one of the definitive Ferrari GT cars. So, and let's not forget that Fiat horn. The gearbox is silky smooth. So it's wonderful Nardi steering wheel. We're going to take it down through some of the curvaceous roads and take it to our flyby area and let you hear it from the outside. In fact, let you hear it and see it from the outside. So, truly one of my favorites with the 4.4 liter engine. It has got a ton of torque. It is a pleasure to drive no matter what, especially when you get on it. got a glorious sound. Throttle response is excellent. Let's not forget, she also looks pretty cool also. But just a joy to drive. Whether it's around town, whether it's across the continent, it is really, really a pleasure. And then, of course, on the farm road, we're going to show you how she cruises at speed in a nice straight line and in comfort. Really one of the best to drive. Absolute best. Soul. We're going to turn in and let Jason out in a couple of seconds so we can do our flybys. And I'm fairly certain you're going to love the way this sounds from the outside. Well, I hope you enjoyed the flybys. We're now going to go down the FFR road. Go through the gears first. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth, which you cruise at well over 100 miles per hour wherever you'd like. And then if you want some power, third gear, stand on it. Then, of course, wonderful disc brakes. So I hope you've enjoyed this road test. There's absolutely nothing derogatory that I can say. It does absolutely everything right and is one of the best vintage Ferraris you can ever drive. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it as much as we do.